Cooking is an art that thrives on the right tools, and this Cuisinart 14-inch stir-fry pan with helper handle and glass cover is a testament to this philosophy. If you've been looking for a versatile, high-performance, and aesthetically pleasing addition to your kitchen arsenal, this stir-fry pan promises to be your go-to solution. Designed to meet the demands of both novice cooks and professional chefs, it combines style, durability, and efficiency in one package. Whether you're preparing a quick stir-fry or experimenting with exotic sauces, this induction-ready pan, with its mirror-finish stainless steel construction and tight-fitting flavor lock lid, ensures precision cooking. Plus, its lifetime warranty speaks volumes about the trust Cuisinart places in its craftsmanship. Key features. Number 1. Induction-ready and even heat distribution. The pan's aluminum encapsulated base heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly, eliminating the frustration of hot spots. This ensures that every ingredient is cooked to perfection, sealing in flavors and nutrients. Number 2. Classic mirror finish with professional appeal. The mirror-polished stainless steel exudes a professional look that complements any kitchen decor. Beyond aesthetics, this finish offers durability and resistance to discoloration, so your pan stays pristine over time. Number 3. Flavor lock lid for superior results. The tight-fitting glass lid retains moisture and nutrients, allowing you to achieve healthier and more flavorful dishes every time. It's perfect for retaining the natural juices in meats and vegetables, enhancing the final dish. Number 4. Convenient features for everyday cooking. From the ergonomic cool grip handles that ensure safe handling to the built-in measurement markings for easy liquid monitoring, this stir-fry pan is crafted for convenience. The drip-free pouring design eliminates messy spills, while its dishwasher-safe build simplifies cleanup. Benefits of using the Cuisinart 14-inch stir-fry pan. Number 1. Versatility at its best. This pan isn't just for stir-fries. It excels at sautéing, steaming, deep-frying, and even simmering sauces. Whether you're a fan of Asian cuisine or experimenting with global flavors, this pan adapts effortlessly to your culinary ambitions. Number 2. Durable construction. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the pan resists discoloration and doesn't react with acidic or alkaline foods, ensuring authentic flavors. Its robust build guarantees years of reliable service, making it a cost-effective investment. Number 3. Health-conscious cooking. Minimal oil is required thanks to the pan's efficient heat retention, which locks in flavors without excessive fat. The flavor lock lid further reduces the need for additional moisture, making your meals healthier and more nutritious. Performance in action. Stir-frying made easy. The 14-inch surface area offers ample space for tossing ingredients without overcrowding. High-heat stir-frying is effortless, and the pan's quick heating properties ensure crispy vegetables and tender meats in no time. Cooking sauces with precision. The built-in measurement markings allow you to monitor liquids with precision, making it easier to craft complex sauces without second-guessing. Dishwasher convenience. Post-meal cleanup is often dreaded, but this pan makes it simple. Its dishwasher-safe design means you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your creations. Tips for getting the best results. 1. Seasoning the pan. While not strictly necessary for stainless steel, seasoning the pan occasionally can enhance its non-stick properties. 2. Avoid abrasive cleaners. Use mild detergents to preserve the pan's mirror finish. 3. Low to medium heat. Stainless steel conducts heat efficiently, so moderate settings are usually sufficient. Why should you buy the Cuisinart 14-inch stir-fry pan? Number 1. Professional results at home. This pan elevates home cooking to restaurant-quality standards. Its precision-engineered design ensures that your meals turn out flawless every time. Number 2. Cost-effective and durable. The lifetime warranty ensures that your investment is protected, making this pan a long-term asset for your kitchen. Number 3. Healthier, tastier meals. The ability to cook with minimal oil while retaining moisture and nutrients sets this pan apart as a healthier alternative to conventional cookware. Conclusion. This Cuisinart 14-inch stir-fry pan with helper handle and glass cover is a masterpiece in the world of cookware. Its robust construction, thoughtful features, and professional aesthetics make it a must-have for anyone passionate about cooking. From stir-frying vibrant vegetables to simmering rich sauces, this pan delivers versatility, reliability, and style. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.